Hello my beautiful people, we are back again with another small recipe, and guess what we are coming to prepare, or what we are going to make. We are going to make apple green mint juice. I have my green mint here, my apple, I have a little banana here. So this is my lemon, my banana, my apple, and my green mint. We are coming to blend them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just enjoy the vibes. It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. Okay, so let's add our chilled water. Apple green mint juice. Very simple. I did not add sugar, but if you are making your juice and you want to add sugar, you are free to add sugar. Anything that you want to add to your juice, you are free to add.